If you want to learn how to cut and trim in CapCut, I'm gonna show you how to do it. For this tutorial, we are going to use this castle cinematic video and we are going to cut it, trim it. So let's go. The easiest way is just by grabbing the edges of your clip and drag it to the left or right side to trim it down. You can use this cursor line, grab it somewhere you want to cut. Then you can use this cutting icon to cut it right there where the white cursor line is placed. This is the most common used one, but you also have these two icons which allow you to delete the left side of the cursor line or the right side of the cursor line. If you hover over your clip with your mouse, you can see a yellow line. For the people who want to use shortcuts, this is the place where the cut will be. If you, for example, press Ctrl+B, then the cut will be placed right here on the yellow line. And if you want to be more precisely, for example, if you want to cut frame by frame, you can just zoom it by using this plus icon. And later, after you placed your cuts, just zoom out again. And that's how you cut and trim in CapCut. Thanks for watching.